Body cream with marine collagen is a cream that keeps skin smooth and silky. Marine collagen is known for its properties that help fight the effects of aging and repair damage caused by the environment, such as UV rays. It's also highly valued as an ingredient in cosmetics for its moisturizing and nourishing effect on the skin cells. Daily use helps improve your skin's elasticity, decreases wrinkles, and improves skin hydration and firmness. Benefits: helps boost the elastin in your skin, stimulates fibroblast cells in the skin to increase their production, contains shea butter with anti-inflammatory and healing properties, condition, tone, and soothe your skin.